If you are looking for new ways to make money online, then you're in the right place. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this, our honest review of the sensational new traffic app, Buzz. Stay till the end, and you will see the $1,000 bonuses we have for you. Finally, a traffic solution that works. Unique one-click app gets you free buyer traffic and sales in 60 seconds. Leverage 9 different buyer traffic sources for massive traffic and sales to any link of your choice. This system runs on complete autopilot. Tap into billions of potential buyers with a few clicks. It's totally built for beginners. No extra expenses required and also works in any niche. Did you know that 99.8% of marketers don't make money from traffic shortage? You need traffic, end of story. It doesn't matter how you put it. However, here's the good news. You're about to discover a little-known yet effective hack that influencers like Gary Vee, Ty Lopez, and Grant Cardone are using to get millions of free visitors in 2020. And the best part? You don't need to be an influencer or put yourself out there. Say no to ineffective methods like solo ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, banner ads, making videos, spamming, and of course, the dreaded SEO. The secret to this free traffic powerhouse? Emulation. You see, we studied for months what celebrities and influencers were doing to grow and get millions of free hits of traffic, and we spotted a similar pattern among them. Frankly, it was a bit weird. But it brought in swarms of traffic every single time. After testing it manually, we thought, why don't we make an app that emulates this process? Therefore, completely automating the entire workload. Well, we did just that. Here's why you must act now. You could be generating results within minutes. Okay, I get it. Every marketer on the block is telling you to buy quicker, using false scarcity tactics only to empty your wallet faster. I'm not going to do that to you today. But my warning to you is this: every minute you wait is a minute where you could be stuffing your wallet using Buzz. Now think about that for just a second. Oh, and the price rises with every sale. So you're going to end up paying more if you come back later. And do you really want to continue buying useless shiny objects? Have they ever brought you results? You know the answer. With that being said, click the button below now to get on board with Buzz. To sweeten the pot, you're also getting our famous $1,000 bonus package by simply going through our link below. You can check these out on the next page. Thanks for watching, guys, and please check out the bonuses we have on the next page, some of which are very expensive standalone softwares. You are getting the full agency rights to them. This is worth thousands in the right hands. Are yours the right hands? Please like, share, and comment. Also, hit that bell to be notified about our future review and bonus videos. Don't forget to subscribe too. Nothing but love for you all. Welcome to the world of free traffic. Brought to you by Action Media Online.